Burdock Root, Unearthed Treasures of Health and Wellness. Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbal Masked Prepper. I'm Herbal Prepper, and today we're exploring a hidden gem in the world of herbal remedies, Burdock Root. This unassuming plant has been praised for its numerous health benefits, and today we'll uncover the secrets behind this root. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our health and wellness content. Now let's delve into the incredible health benefits of Burdock Root. 1. Introduction to Burdock Root. Burdock, scientifically known as Arctium lapa, is a plant that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. While it's often considered a pesky weed, the root of the burdock plant is a treasure trove of nutrients and medicinal properties. 2. Detoxification and liver health. One of the standout benefits of burdock root is its ability to support liver health and aid in detoxification. It contains compounds that may help eliminate toxins from the bloodstream, making it a valuable ally for our body's natural detox processes. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Burdock root is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including quercetin, luteolin, and phenolic acids. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, protecting our cells from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Skin health and clear complexion. Looking for clearer skin? Burdock root might be the answer. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help with various skin conditions, including acne and eczema. Drinking burdock root tea or incorporating it into your diet could contribute to a healthier complexion. Blood sugar regulation. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, burdock root has shown potential in helping regulate glucose. Studies suggest that it may improve insulin sensitivity, making it a natural option for those managing diabetes or looking to support balanced blood sugar. 6. Digestive health. Burdock root has been traditionally used to promote digestive health. It contains inulin, a type of fiber that supports a healthy gut flora. Including burdock root in your diet may help with digestion and alleviate issues like bloating and constipation. 7. Joint health and anti-inflammatory effects. If you're dealing with joint pain or inflammation, burdock root's anti-inflammatory properties may offer relief. It's been used to soothe conditions like arthritis and rheumatism, making it a natural alternative for joint health. And there you have it, a closer look at the incredible health benefits of burdock root. Whether you're enjoying it in teas, as a supplement, or in your favorite recipes, incorporating burdock root into your routine might be a wise choice for your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with friends who might be interested in natural remedies. Have you tried burdock root before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on Herbal Masked Prepper, and until next time, stay healthy and stay natural. If you have suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments. Subscribe for more health and wellness insights, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care!